They say trust is the glue of life. Yes, it is. It's the most essential ingredient in effective communication. Hello, my lovely listener. Welcome to Sweet Roasted Relationship Talk. Today I will be talking about how to build trust in a relationship. Let us dive into the topic. Trust. Trust is the cornerstone of any healthy, lasting relationship. Whether in romantic partnerships, friendships, or family ties, trust enables individuals to feel secure, valued, and open. Without trust, relationships can become fragile, filled with doubt, insecurity, and constant questioning. Building trust requires consistent effort, honest communication, and understanding over time. In this comprehensive discussion, we will explore the key elements of trust, how it can be nurtured in a relationship, common trust-related challenges, and actionable solutions to build and restore trust. Here, we have 6 ways to build, restore, and nurture trust. Number 1. Understanding trust in relationships. Let us define trust. What is trust? Trust in relationships means having confidence in another person's actions, intentions, and character. It involves believing that the other person will be honest with you, remain loyal, and respect your boundaries. Trust also allows individuals to feel emotionally safe in a relationship, knowing that their vulnerability won't be taken advantage of. In essence, trust is the belief that the other person has your best interests at heart and that they are reliable, dependable, and genuine in their feelings and actions. Let's learn why trust is crucial in relationships. Trust is foundational because it allows for emotional intimacy, open communication, and mutual respect. It's the invisible glue that holds people together, creating a bond where each person feels safe to be their authentic self without fear of judgment or betrayal. A lack of trust leads to insecurity, anxiety, and tension, eroding the strength of the relationship over time. Without trust, doubt creeps in. Partners may become suspicious, distant, or overly controlling, all of which can create further rifts and damage the relationship. Therefore, maintaining trust is vital for long-term relational success. Number 2. The elements of trust. There are 5 elements of trust. They are: A. Honesty. Honesty is at the heart of trust. Being truthful, even when the truth is difficult to share, helps build trust between partners. Whether it's about feelings, past mistakes, or current behaviors, complete transparency is essential. Solution: commit to open and honest communication. Share your thoughts and feelings regularly and encourage your partner to do the same. Even when the truth is uncomfortable, it's better than hiding things that could later cause conflict. B. Consistency. Trust grows when partners are consistent in their actions and words. If a partner consistently shows up on time, fulfill promises, and treats their partner with respect, trust naturally builds. Inconsistencies, on the other hand, lead to uncertainty and doubt. Solution: make a conscious effort to be consistent in your actions. Whether it's keeping promises, showing love, or maintaining habits like regular communication, consistency is key in building a reliable, trustworthy connection. C. Vulnerability. Trust often requires vulnerability. To develop deep emotional connections, individuals need to open up and share their true thoughts, fears, and insecurities. This mutual vulnerability builds empathy and strengthens the bond between partners. Solution: create a safe space in the relationship for both partners to be vulnerable. Listen to your partner without judgment and share your own emotions openly. The more both partners feel comfortable being their true selves, the deeper the trust. D. Accountability. Taking responsibility for mistakes and acknowledging when things go wrong is critical in maintaining trust. Blaming the other person or avoiding accountability erodes trust, as it shows a lack of self-awareness and respect for the partner feelings. Solution: when conflicts arise or mistakes are made, be accountable. Own your actions and offer genuine apologies when necessary. This shows maturity and respect for your partner's emotions. E. Respect for boundaries. Respecting personal boundaries, whether emotional, physical, or mental, plays a big role in maintaining trust. When partners respect each other's space, privacy, and boundaries, they demonstrate care and consideration, making the relationship feel secure. Solution: understand and communicate your boundaries, and ask your partner to do the same. Consistently respect each other's limits and ensure that any boundary is respected. Number 3. Steps to build trust in a relationship. Building trust is an ongoing process, and it doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, patience, and communication. Here are some practical steps to help build trust in a relationship. A. Open communication. Open and honest communication is the backbone of trust. Express your feelings, thoughts, and concerns clearly and regularly. A relationship where partners feel comfortable talking openly about anything, without fear of judgment or retribution, is one where trust flourishes. Solution: set aside time for regular, open conversations with your partner. Discuss your feelings, expectations, and even fears within the relationship. It's important to listen actively and avoid dismissing or invalidating each other's concerns. Be reliable. Reliability is key to building trust. When you say you will do something, follow through with your actions. Being reliable means your partner can count on you, whether in small day-to-day activities or larger commitments. Solution: keep your promises, no matter how small. If you make plans or say you'll be there for your partner, make sure you follow through. Reliability shows that you respect and value the relationship. C. Practice forgiveness. Mistakes are inevitable in any relationship. Building trust means accepting that both you and your partner are human, and learning to forgive mistakes when they happen. Holding grudges or constantly bringing up past wrongs will hinder trust-building efforts. Solution: work on forgiveness when your partner makes a genuine mistake and apologizes. This doesn't mean overlooking harmful behavior, but acknowledging human imperfections and moving forward with understanding and grace. D. Show empathy and understanding. Understanding your partner's perspective is crucial in building trust. By showing empathy, you validate their feelings and show that you care about their emotional well-being. This helps create a nurturing environment where trust can grow. Solution: practice active listening, where you listen to understand rather than respond. Try to put yourself in your partner's shoes and show genuine care for their emotional state. E. Be transparent. Transparency involves sharing your life, thoughts, and feelings with your partner. Keeping secrets or withholding information erodes trust, so being transparent fosters a sense of security and openness in the relationship. Solution: be open about your activities, thoughts, and concerns. If there are difficult conversations to be had, approach them head-on rather than avoiding them. Transparency builds a strong foundation for trust. F. Respect each other's independence. While it's important to share parts of your life with your partner, it's equally important to respect each other's independence. Healthy relationships balance togetherness and individuality. Being able to trust your partner while they pursue their own interests or friendships is key to maintaining trust. Solution: encourage your partner to maintain their own hobbies, friendships, and interests, and do the same for yourself. Show trust in their ability to navigate life independently while maintaining the connection between the two of you. Number 4. Challenges to trust building in relationships. While trust building is essential, it's not always easy. Relationships face numerous challenges that can undermine trust. Here are some common obstacles to trust building and solutions to overcome them. A. Past trauma and trust issues. Some people enter relationships with trust issues stemming from past trauma or broken relationships. These issues can make it difficult to trust a new partner, even when they've done nothing wrong. Solution: if past trauma is affecting trust in a current relationship, consider seeking therapy or counseling to process those feelings. Communicate your trust concerns with your partner so they understand your fears and can offer support. B. Jealousy. Jealousy can erode trust, especially if it's rooted in insecurity or fear. It can cause unnecessary conflict and make partners feel controlled or mistrusted, which damages the relationship. Solution: address the root cause of jealousy, whether it's insecurity or past experiences. Have an open conversation with your partner about where these feelings come from and work together to reassure each other. C. Betrayal or infidelity. Betrayal, such as infidelity or lying, is one of the biggest challenges to trust. Rebuilding trust after betrayal is a long and difficult process, but is not impossible with commitment from both partners. Solution: if there's been betrayal, both partners need to be willing to put in the work to rebuild trust. This involves open, honest communication, genuine apologies, and setting new boundaries to rebuild emotional safety. D. Miscommunication. Misunderstandings and miscommunication can lead to unintentional breaches of trust. If one partner feels unheard or misunderstood, resentment can build, which weakens the trust between them. Solution: practice active listening and clarify any misunderstandings before they snowball. Repeat what you think you heard to ensure both parties are on the same page, and be patient when working through difficult conversations. E. Overcommitment or burnout. Sometimes, being overcommitted to other responsibilities, like work, family, or social obligations, can cause strain in the relationship. When partners feel neglected, they may begin to doubt each other's commitment and question their level of trust. Solution: prioritize time together to reconnect. Openly discuss your commitments and responsibilities, and find ways to balance them while ensuring the relationship remains a priority. Number 5. How to rebuild trust after it's been broken. Trust can be fragile. Once it's broken, whether through betrayal, dishonesty, or neglect, it takes a great deal of effort to restore it. However, rebuilding trust is possible with time, dedication, and communication. A. Take responsibility. If you're the one who broke trust, take full responsibility for your actions. Acknowledge the harm caused and express genuine remorse. Denying or minimizing the breach will only further damage the relationship. Solution: offer a sincere apology and explain what steps you're willing to take to repair the damage. It's important to be transparent about your commitment to change and to actively work on rebuilding trust. B. Be patient. Rebuilding trust takes time. Both partners need to be patient with each other during the healing process. The person who was hurt may need time to rebuild their sense of security, and the person who caused the hurt needs to give them space to heal. Solution: understand that trust may not be restored overnight. Be patient with your partner and show consistent actions over time that demonstrate your commitment to rebuilding trust. C. Establish clear boundaries. In cases where trust has been broken, it's important to set new boundaries to avoid future breaches. This could involve discussing what behaviors are unacceptable and how to navigate difficult situations. Solution: have an open conversation about boundaries and expectations moving forward. Make sure both partners agree on what's necessary to rebuild trust and maintain a healthy relationship. D. Work on emotional intimacy. After trust has been broken, emotional intimacy can suffer. To rebuild trust, partners need to work on regaining emotional closeness by being open, vulnerable, and supportive of each other's feelings. Solution: make time for emotional check-ins, discuss feelings openly, and engage in activities that foster closeness, like spending quality time together or discussing each other's emotional needs. E. Seek professional help. In cases where the trust breach is particularly significant or complicated, seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor may be beneficial. They can help both partners navigate their emotions and develop tools to rebuild the relationship. Solution: consider couples counseling or individual therapy to work through the trust issues in a safe and structured environment. A trained professional can guide you in rebuilding your relationship. Number 6, which is the conclusion. Trust as an ongoing process. Building and maintaining trust in a relationship is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing process that requires commitment from both partners. It is built through honesty, vulnerability, accountability, and consistent actions. Although challenges like past trauma, jealousy, and betrayal can undermine trust, they can be overcome through open communication, forgiveness, and mutual respect. A relationship without trust will struggle to thrive, but with effort and understanding, partners can create a strong, trusting bond that withstands the test of time. Whether you're building trust from scratch or working to rebuild it after it's been broken, remember that trust is the foundation of any meaningful and lasting relationship. We have come to the end of this session. How to build trust in a relationship. I hope you've learned a lot. May the good Lord give you the grace to have a successful relationship. Kindly drop your question and your comment down in the comment section. Trust me, I will attend to all your question. You can also reach out to us on email, omolarapaesilia@gmail.com, if you need a counselor to speak to on issues or challenges in your relationship and marriage. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Please stay tuned because we have so much more coming your way. Thanks for watching. For now, bye.